If you're looking for a compact portable table that folds real easily, super easy to carry around, and very strong, you definitely need to watch this review. In this review, what I'm going to do is talk about two things you definitely need to know. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is actually a 36-inch table. You can see here it's all folded together. It's pretty thin here. It's not very tall at all, so it's really easy to go ahead and just maybe put in the back of your vehicle, store away when you're not using it. And it's also got a handle here, so it's real easy to carry. Now it does have a latch right here. So when you open that up, that's when you're gonna go ahead and just fold it on out. Now you can see all the legs are right here, and it's super easy to open up, and I'm gonna show that in a minute. And the frame here, the legs, it's all metal. So when you're gonna go ahead and get ready to go ahead and lift all the legs up, you're gonna hear this pop. That little click, it's locked in place. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then we go ahead and we can open up the rest of them up. I mean, really, it's only gonna take probably 60 seconds to do that. And then you've got it ready to go. Now the table itself is made of nice thick polyethylene. It's super strong and it's easy to clean. You're just going to wipe it off. It does come with nice rounded corners here, and it only weighs 18 pounds. Now I mentioned it's super strong. Now I weigh right around 200 pounds, but it does have a capacity of 400 pounds. So having a foldable table like this is so handy, especially if you're going to have game night. This way you can set up anywhere in your house. Everyone can have plenty of space to play. Or you can even use it outside for some additional eating areas. Also, all the legs do have covers. That way it's not going to mar up any surfaces. And I do really appreciate the brand sending this to me so I can show you all the features. So this is real easy to take down. All I do is I just grab this handle. I'm going to flip it upside down. And when you're going to go ahead and close these legs, you're going to just press on this a little bit. See, when we put it up the first time, it popped. And it locks in right there. So now we're just going to go ahead and close it down one by one. Now to fold the table up, you do have a little lever right here on the side. And what that does, that actually releases it so you can go ahead and close it. Otherwise, it's going to lock in place and you can't do it. We just release it. I make sure the handle's up out of the way. We're going to lift it up, and we've got this latch right here. It's got a nice thick hinge because I have had some tables in the past. It eventually broke right here, but this is just super nice and thick and strong. And then we've got two screws holding it together. I love that this table is super versatile. You can take it indoors or outdoors. It's great for camping. You can throw it in the back of your vehicle, and it's super compact and stored away where you're not using it. Hope you found this review helpful.